today we have a sports reporter joining us in studio, Alice Lee. Wow, Alice, I'm so excited to have you here. I know that you like sports.
I love sports. All right, we're going to start off with the New York Liberty.
Okay.
We're going to draw our attention to one specific player, Marine Johannes from France. Okay. But the big news is publicly announced that she's engaged to fellow player Gabby Williams.
Oh, okay.
We go next to the Connecticut Sun, and they got a brand new rookie in Sanaya Rivers, who is just a hot prospect out of NC State.
How many points does she?
No. See, the important thing is that it's been confirmed that she's dating Marina Maybury, her teammate on the Connecticut Sun.
Alice, I don't want to stop you. I think you're doing a great job so far, showing the women loving women and the WNBA. But if you just have any, stats or information about how the games go.
Well, I can tell you about a game.
Okay.
We talk about a game between the Atlanta Dream and the Golden State Valkyrie. They had a surprising event during one of their games recently.
Oh, what was it? Somebody hit 100 points?
Caldwell, something flies on the court, actually.
What is that?
Crowd.
It's a green dildo.
Alice, I did not ask for tabloids about who is having sex with who. I asked for sports report.
This is sports reporting.
This is a green dildo.
Yes, and it's really important because you need to know that the Valkyries won this game and that their next game, the same thing happened. The Valkyries are now 2-0 when a green dildo has been thrown on the court.
Okay, all right.
It turns out this is actually being done by like a crypto guy.
Oh, come on.
And
dildo coin?
Yeah.
That's a shame because you would hope that, they'd be throwing dildos not
right.
for crypto.
Yeah.
I thought I was going to get stats. I thought I was going to get scores. I thought I'd get at least anything about baseball, but all you have talked about are these basketball playing lesbians and who's having sex with who.
Yeah.
Alice, I don't think you're cut out to be a sports reporter.
You're saying this because I'm a trans woman in sports, huh?
Well, actually, I thought you would be way better because, as Pete Buttigieg says, there's a fairness issue. And so a trans woman should, in theory, be better at sports reporting than a cis woman.
Well, let me be the first to say that there are no advantages for trans women in sports, including me in my sports reporting.
Could you maybe do reporting about anything you're qualified to talk about?
Trans rights are under attack in this country. Recently, the Supreme Court made a decision called Scrimeti versus the U.S., which is going to make it so that individual states will make it illegal for trans people to get gender-affirming care. They framed this debate as trying to protect children, but they're really actually just going after everyone, including adults. And they're trying to create a chilling effect so that hospitals and clinics do not offer it to anyone, adults or children. If you want to help, here are some medications that are commonly used for HRT that you could go to your doctor and get a prescription for.
So as you folks know, sometimes people load up on birth control pills or Plan B pills so that they could give them to people from other states. If hypothetically a cis person was to go to their doctor and try to get these drugs, what would they say?
Doctor, I'm in menopause and I need some injectable estradiol. Patches work too, pills work too. Progesterone as well is commonly prescribed to women in menopause. There's also spironolactone, which is used for hair loss for both genders. It's also used as part of hormone replacement therapy for menopausal women. And then testosterone, everyone loves testosterone.
Oh, yeah.
Injectable, gel, pill, whatever you got.
So it sounds like any one of us could go to the doctor and say, oh, I'm losing some hair. Oh, my dick don't work too good. Or I mean, I don't know about you guys. You ever use these telehealth things? They just send you whatever.
They send you whatever.
If, hypothetically, not that anyone here would do that.
Of course not.
No. What could you do then to get it to people who need them?
Find trans people in your community. If you need to find trans women, you can go to your local Magic the Gathering tournament.
Of course.
But really, there's some really good organizations in Los Angeles. There's the Trans Defense Fund. There's the Trans Latina Coalition. And through those and through other online trans organizations. You can find individuals who will help you, make sure that these, I don't know, performance enhancing drugs go to the right place.
I love it. And I think it doesn't hurt to just be in as many communities as you can be in. As you know, I'm a big softball head. I got my New York softball league and my Los Angeles softball league. And then
Mary, softball?
I love softball.
What is softball?
Oh, Alex.